Hello YouTube, I am here back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing my Lego butterfly knife. So, let's get started. So what I just did with it, I have the red, white, and blue all around, besides in 8 places, and if you can see right there, there's, alright, so there's that two, these two, which is right here, and that, and that. So yeah, these are my Lego weapons, or my Lego butterfly knife, and yeah. And later on I'll show you how to do the spy's butterfly knife trick once he opens it. But that is another video, and peace out.